Hello and welcome to Two Car Pros. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to replace the headlight bulb for a 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. Okay, so where you're currently looking is the back of the passenger side headlight. I'm going to show you how to do only the passenger side because the driver's side is exactly the same but on the other side of the vehicle. So the first thing we need to do is grab a small standard screwdriver, or you could probably even do this with your fingernail, but mine aren't long enough. So we're going to pull back this red safety. You see how that just clicked out of place? This is the electrical connector for the light bulb, and once that safety's gone we can kind of wiggle it loose. So remove the red safety and then push down on the top of it. There's a little thing you push down right there on, and then you pull the electrical connector straight out. So, little quick tip. If yours is really stuck in there because these light bulbs have never been changed before, you can get a little bit bigger standard screwdriver and push it into here and then just twist it slightly to kind of break it loose. Don't be too rough on it, it is plastic. And once it's broken free, then we can push that electrical connector out of our way. So with the electrical connector out of the way, we can grab the back of the housing here. You see these tabs? They look like little tiny pieces of plastic. We can use our pointer finger and thumb and twist it to the left. And once you twist it to the left, the bulb comes out. So we can go ahead and compare this to our new one. Okay, so here I have our old headlight bulb here. That's what it looks like. And here are our new units. I'm using a Philips 9008. The link will be in the description below for these exact bulbs. I got them on Amazon and they were pretty inexpensive. And these are the bright white light versions. Try saying that 3 times fast. So before I even take them out of the package, I'm going to tell you right now, make sure you wear gloves or use some sort of paper towel when you're handling these, because if any grease gets on this glass right here, it could cause problems. And I didn't see the easy open container thing first, so that's good. Even though I'm wearing gloves, I'm not going to touch the bulb anyway. So here is what the light bulb looks like. We can go ahead and compare it to our old one, and as you can see, they are pretty much identical, except for the little cap there. This one's blue, and the connector is exactly the same. So this light bulb will go great into our housing. Okay, we can take our replacement bulb and replace it into the back of the housing the exact same way we removed the up bulb earlier. Go ahead and put that in there, try not to bang it around too much. So it has little teeth that fit into a groove, and once those teeth have fit past their grooves, you can turn the entire bulb to the right to lock it in place, like I've just done there. See how the prongs are kind of on a flat plane now? And then we can replace the electrical connector. And that electrical connector pushes on. And once it's pushed on, you'll hear that nice click, and then you need to push the red safety back into place. Just like that. And before we go anywhere, we can turn the headlights on to make sure that the light bulb we put in works. And it does. So we know the job's done correctly. So that's how to replace your headlight bulb in your 2008 Dodge Caravan. Now, I will say that the driver's side is exactly the same as the passenger, so if you've watched the passenger side, you know how to do the driver's side. It's just on the other side of the car. It's a very simple and straightforward repair that you need almost no tools to do. I mean, if you have a little bit longer fingernails, you could probably get that red clip off without a standard screwdriver. So it could be a no-tool repair. Just make sure you have gloves or at the very least a paper towel to handle the bulb. I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. All applicable links are down below in the description, and I'll catch you next time.